Hello, YouTube friends and visitors. Thanks for stopping by. Now, let's get started. Bootcamp 5. Yes, I know. But guess what? We only have 1/4 more content, which will be on the next video. And then we'll go right into Bootcamp 6. Yay! I'm so excited for you and myself. Now, we're almost done. I know it doesn't seem like it, but this Bootcamp 5 is still being quoted by my coach, Misha Wilson. Now, what I've done is I put the Bootcamp slides together and the Make Money Right Now slides together as well, because like I said in my previous video, doing a Bootcamp video and a Make Money Right Now video and a YouTube video, and a Bootcamp video and another Make Money Right Now video is confusing. It's too much. So that's what I did. I put the Bootcamp videos together and Make Money Right Now videos together. So let's continue. Now, you're starting to understand that you truly are in the right place at the right time. I remember how excited I was when I first learned about the immense power contained within this business model. And back then, I didn't have nearly the leverage that you'll have soon as a partner. The honest truth is that there's no faster way for you to create the lifestyle and freedom that you truly deserve than to tap into premium value affiliate marketing. The ever increased leverage you'll get here at the Super Affiliate Network. Can you imagine not having to wake up to an unknowing alarm clock every morning just to have to push your way through rush hour traffic to get to a job you absolutely hate? No more boring meetings, bosses, pain in the butt schedules, none of it. You can literally run your business anywhere where you can grow, where you can get Wi-Fi and can run it in just a few hours per week, most of which will be monitoring your systems, making sure that your daily commissions are being deposited into your bank account as usual. Can you see why I absolutely love this business model? Imagine having all of the benefits associated information market that we discussed previously with none of the headaches. Imagine having a turnkey, tested and proven profit pulling system working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days per week on complete and total autopilot. Imagine having that kind of freedom. Would it mean for you to be able to do what you want to do with who you want, when you want? How much more exciting your life would be? And here's the best news. You absolutely can do this. There's no degree required. There's no spending years upon years and tens of thousands of dollars on a college education you'll never use anyway. You only need these 3 things. Desire, the right system, and a plan. So again, it's desire, the right system, and a plan. You only need those 3 things. When you have those things in place, you'll quickly see how profitable this ultimate lifestyle system can actually be for you. In the next module, I'll break down in more detail the immense leverage, profitability, and of course, freedom that you'll be able to attain using this powerful system. Considering that you've gotten to this step of the profit boosting bootcamp, and considering you're here listening to my voice, not Misha's voice, but to my voice, and paying attention to this video right now, you obviously realize you're in the right place at the right time. And I know that you can now see exactly why this system is the best bet compared to all of the other options out there. It's the only thing that you'll find that will allow you to earn high-ticket, hands-free, and residual income, all while having a life and enjoying the freedom that you truly deserve. Open your mind to a world of new possibilities, and I'll see you in the next training module. Now we're going to get right to making income, right now. Now you can share your views. Share your honest opinions for everyday services and products you use with focused group companies. These organizations can improve their products on your feedback, and you get to make $50, $100 or more. You can also work for Amazon. Pick micro tasks from Amazon Mechanical Turk. These are services that require human interaction. You can work from home, flexible hours, and get paid by one of the world's largest retailers. Here are some examples of tasks workers have completed. Select the correct spelling for these search terms. Is this website suitable for a general audience? Find the item number for the product in this image. Rate the search results for these keywords. Are these two products the same? Choose the appropriate category for the products. Categorize the tone of this article and translate a paragraph from English to French. You can do technical freelancing. Freelancing isn't all about writing. You can do everything from design, graphics, marketing, and web programming jobs from sites like Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer, Demand Media. Pick your payment on per project basis. Get paid for being healthy. You get paid for being healthy. The Help app Achievement gives you points for being healthy and doing things like walking, tracking your food, or taking health surveys. You earn points which can be redeemed for cash or Amazon gift cards. For every 10,000 points you earn $10, and there is no limit on your earnings. Achievement connects to the fitness apps you may already be using, including Fitbit, Runkeeper, HealthKit, and MyFitnessPal. You can earn 10 points just for signing up with Achievement and connecting an app. Become a freelancer or a freelance writer. Doing freelance work can greatly increase your income. Are you a stay-at-home mom with an English degree or a guy who naturally can find mistakes in written text? Huge and trustworthy sites like Upwork have thousands of employers who want to hire for all kinds of tasks, where you can write or edit about anything from technology to business article. Get paid for every single article. Get a great reputation, and you can turn this into a full-time job. Don't forget to look at 7 easy steps to becoming a freelance writer. You can test websites for $30 an hour. Ever visit a website and you thought about how bad or how great it was? Now you can get paid to share your thoughts. Just open a website, click around, and get paid. New or updated website owners compensate you to test their sites. For example, with user testing, you can earn almost $30 for an hour. Here's how it works. You get paid $10 via a PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. Use testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and record your thoughts. While you're visiting a website, your screen will be recorded as well as your voice. Their clients include Apple, Microsoft, Adobe, and other Fortune 500 companies. How would you like a few bucks to share your thoughts? Check out how to make quick money at home testing websites for a full list of companies that will pay you for your testing. Yes, I know, we're finished. So what I need you to do is click or copy this link. Now, if you copy this link, put it in a new website browser and bring it up. And it will give you more information with Super Affiliate Network to help you buy for only $1,000. You're right, for only $1. And what I need you to do is click on my picture to subscribe. I need you to like my video and share it as well. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. And thanks for stopping by. Bye.